Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials so you don't chase ghosts. Check device volume and the physical mute switch, then make sure Instagram has microphone permission. Without it, the app can't capture sound. Once done, update Instagram to the latest version and restart the app or your device to clear transient glitches. If you suspect network issues, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data because poor connectivity can block audio assets or sticker music from loading. Now you dive deeper into execution. Clear Instagram cache or reinstall the app to remove corrupted temporary files that break audio. Test recording in your phone's camera app to confirm the mic works, then try the Instagram story recorder so you can isolate the problem. Make sure you're using the right sound source, original recording versus music sticker, and confirm music availability for your region or account type because some tracks are blocked and appear as audio unavailable. Finish by isolating and resolving remaining issues. Try posting a story from another device or account to see if the problem is device or account specific. If it works there, focus on reinstalling or resetting settings on your device. As a practical workaround, add audio externally. Insert music via the music sticker or upload a pre-edited video with embedded sound. If problems persist, contact Instagram support and log out then back in. Key tip: if audio still fails, recheck OS microphone permissions and revoke/grant them again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.